Can a tire company change the entire food industry across the globe? Well, it is possible. If you're a board member, business leader, or CEO, this is for you. Hello everyone, I'm Neetu Chaudhary, and in Friday Business Stories, I share business stories which can change the decision making and trajectory of your business. So today's story starts somewhere in 1900 when two brothers in France, they were running a small tire company. They were making pretty good tire, but their big problem was that there were only few thousand cars in France that time. So not many people were buying from them because they were not using much cars. So the tires were not getting worn out and there was no need for new car. So rather than asking how to sell more tires or how to increase the target of your sales professionals, they asked the right question. They asked how to make people use more cars so that other people will get inspired and more cars will come in the market, and older cars, their tire will get worn out. So they came out with something very radical idea. They created a red guide. In that guide, they wrote everything about the map, what destinations to go, why to go, what's there, where to refuel, where to eat, everything. And that people, the customers are talking more about the restaurants, the quality, the food, the ambience, everything more than anything else. Not the fuel, not the map, nothing else. So they saw it as a revenue stream, and what they did was brilliant. They stopped giving it for free and they started charging it, and other companies and other customers were also buying from them because that gave the privilege for them that yes, I know the place and I can go and see different places. Then the pattern, the two brothers, they started observing another pattern. Some restaurants were not so good and some were really good. So in 1926, they came up with another radical idea, and that was the birth of Michelin star restaurants. Yes, this is how a tire company changed the trajectory of all food industries. And so there were 3 stars were there, 1 star, 2 star and 3 star, and they were having different levels of the service. So the 1 star comes with the high quality cooking and worth a stop. 2 star is excellent cooking and worth a detour. And 3 star, exceptional cuisine and worth a special journey. So this is how two brothers running a small tire company in France changed the entire food industry across the globe. Now for board, we have 3 important lessons here. The first and the most important thing is ask the right question. Rather than increasing the sales target or making your product better, find the root cause. What exactly is the thing that one small thing, if you change, it will change the entire business. So the first thing they asked is how to make people go out and see places and use their car. The second important lesson from this story is that you never know how your business will unfold until you are ready to listen to new ideas and experiment and explore. Because if you pay attention, you all are sitting on the data mine and you have all the information available. Change that information into the insight. And the third most important lesson we learned from this business story, especially for the board members and the CEO, is brand value comes from the trust. The trust people have on the 1 star, 2 star and 3 star, 3 Michelin star it's outstanding. Why? Because Michelin has maintained that trust. So brand value comes with the trust. If you like this story, share with one of your business leaders. It may help them.